Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add glyphs to your text on Adobe Illustrator. Depending on the font though, because it's not going to show up for every font. So let's just go with this font over here. And then I'm gonna make it. Okay. I'm just going to zoom in and then let's go to the Windows section, go to type, and you are going to go to glyphs. Now you are going to see that there's a bunch of glyphs for this font here if I scrolled a little bit down. So let's see, for instance, I want to add the glyph to the G, so I'm just going to select G, then I'm going to select this one and it's going to replace it with another, well, with glyphs, I guess. Whoops. And then with the Y, same thing, like that. And you can just select the one that you like. Now, not all of like the fonts have glyphs, but just try to find one that has some. But it creates now this like super pretty font on Adobe Illustrator. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!